In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Bluetooth keyboard to your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel. And then on the right side versus devices, select add device at the top. Make sure your keyboard is powered up as well as discoverable on your network, and then you would select Bluetooth and then just follow through with the on-screen directions, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.